Join me here today to say goodbye to the mini fridge that I've had since I was about 12 years old. And as is World's Strongest Unicyclist tradition, what do before we fly tip furniture? We see if we can lift it, and bonus points if we scare the neighbours. Let's go. So one of the hardest things about being a pioneer, it's very easy to slip into the trap of wasting your fucking time. Ladies and gentlemen, sometimes it hasn't been done because it can't be. And if it hasn't been done because no one cares, well, that's where I jump in. And this is the thing, the name mini fridge is a deceptive one, because while it is smaller in stature, it weighs exactly the same as that fucking freezer. Other cheap American lager brands are available, by the way. You're always at risk of being a victim of your own success. What if I get typecast in Curry's adverts? Especially the Boxing Day sale ones. Oh God, what a career wasted. Right, let's do it. Now, kind of most elusive lift has always been the deadlift, because, well, you can't really hinge on the unicycle, and also you're elevated. I wonder if I can clean this straight up. Really nice. Whoa, Jesus Christ. I did not expect that. But we all know it doesn't count for shit unless you're on this thing. I don't even know how this is going to work. I feel like maybe I shouldn't have recorded this. Nah, this is a terrible idea. You're my thumb. I know that's not very dramatic. How does one throw a mini fridge in? I mean, fuck. So it's day 2, and there does seem to be some general concern brewing amongst the neighbours as to why there's a mini fridge in the garden and what kind of monster managed to crush it. I did tell you about that, right? So what I was trying to do was, instead of picking the fridge up and having it already in place when I mount the unicycle, I wanted to be able to kind of almost like clean it straight up, hoik, and then press it. Which may not sound any harder, but when you consider that all of the drive comes from the solid ground that you're standing on the unicycle, essentially all of that power is to come from my core. That's a lot of pressure. You're trying to generate force to get the fridge up, but where you're trying to derive that force from is wildly out of control.